Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ramon Escalera, owner of Platinum World Team Build. We're going to show you how to use a PLS system, adding a location on the map section of the block. So if you have a store or barber shop or a church you want people to locate, maybe they're on their mobile phone and you wanted to add the map so they can find their place easily, I'm going to show you how to edit that. So first you drag and you drop the box. Then you're going to click on this link here. All right, this is where the custom URL you're going to need. Your link should be very similar to this here for this location. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is visit www.openstreetmap.org. This is where you need to go to get the actual map embed code just like this. And then that'll take you here. Then you're going to paste the address here. As you can see, I've already done that. And then I'm going to click on go. What you're going to notice is it's going to look very similar to this, and then you're not going to have the actual the compass little symbol here, so we're going to add that now. So next thing you need to do is click on share, which is right here, and then you're going to include the marker. I don't know why it said compass, I meant to say marker. Once you add the marker, you're going to place it in the location. Obviously that's the location, that's where you want everybody to visit, if that's where you want them to go. And then you're going to grab the embed code. Going to copy that embed code, and then we're going to paste it on a notepad just like this. As you can see, I've already been doing it, but I've noticed there's going to be a couple of things that we need to delete before we continue, okay? So I keep these here just for reference. Everything before these two lines we want to erase. So that's all of that we don't need. So as you can see, it's looking very similar. Then you want to go through the link, because when you copy and paste, you're going to notice that there's going to be this here. If you see this within your coding, you need to remove that because that doesn't belong there. Uh, it's what happens when you copy and paste and they don't want you to copy and paste from a certain website. I guess this is what that is. I don't remember exactly what this is called, but it doesn't belong there. As you can see, the numbers show here and it says and layer. So this needs to be removed. So we're going to delete that. And then we're going to click on, we're actually going to add the and just go along just to make sure that, see, there it is again. So we need to get rid of this. As you can see, it's supposed to say map, nick, and marker. It says map, nick, and gotta get rid of that and marker. So far, so good. And then we need to just go right up to here. Last number, we can delete everything else. And that's it. This is the code we need, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna copy this. But remember, you only need to do this once to add a location to a website. So a little bit of work, not that bad. Just grab it, and then you're going to do is go here and you're going to paste it. Control V, and then click on update, and there it is. And then you want to save, and then you want to publish. And then when you go to your website and you refresh it, there's the location. It's that easy, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching this video. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Bye-bye.